Modern perspectives in psychology explained in 10 key concepts. Psychology has evolved significantly over time, and modern perspectives provide a comprehensive understanding of human behavior and mental processes. Modern perspectives in psychology refer to the various approaches and schools of thought that explain how people think, feel, and act based on contemporary research and insights. Here are 10 key concepts to help you better understand modern perspectives in psychology. 1. Biological perspective. This approach focuses on the physical and biological processes that underlie behavior and mental states. It examines how brain structures, neurotransmitters, hormones, and genetics influence our actions, thoughts, and emotions. For example, the biological perspective explains the role of serotonin in regulating mood, as seen in studies of depression. 2. Cognitive perspective. The cognitive perspective explores how we process, store, and retrieve information. It emphasizes mental activities like perception, memory, problem-solving, and decision-making. For example, the cognitive perspective helps in understanding memory processes that can improve learning techniques. 3. Behavioral perspective. Rooted in the work of pioneers like B.F. Skinner and John Watson, this perspective studies observable behaviors and the role of environmental factors in shaping them. It highlights learning through conditioning and reinforcement. For example, the behavioral perspective explains how using positive reinforcement encourages desired behaviors. 4. Psychodynamic perspective. Based on Freud's theories, the psychodynamic perspective focuses on unconscious processes, early life experiences, and unresolved conflicts that shape behavior and personality. For example, the psychodynamic perspective explores childhood traumas to address present-day anxieties. 5. Humanistic perspective. The humanistic perspective emphasizes free will, personal growth, and self-actualization. It focuses on the positive potential of human beings and their drive for meaning and fulfillment. For example, the humanistic perspective helps individuals find purpose through self-reflection and personal goals. 6. Evolutionary perspective. This perspective examines how evolutionary principles, like natural selection, influence psychological traits and behaviors. It seeks to explain universal behaviors as adaptations for survival. For example, this perspective explains the evolutionary basis of fear responses to dangerous stimuli. 7. Sociocultural perspective. The sociocultural perspective studies how societal and cultural factors influence behavior, thought, and emotions. It highlights the importance of context and cultural diversity in shaping psychological phenomena. For example, the sociocultural perspective helps us in understanding cross-cultural differences in communication styles. 8. Eclectic Approach. Modern psychology often adopts an eclectic approach, integrating elements from multiple perspectives to address complex issues. This flexibility ensures a holistic understanding of human behavior. For example, the eclectic approach combines cognitive and behavioral therapies to treat anxiety disorders. 9. Positive psychology. A more recent development, positive psychology focuses on strengths, well-being, and the factors that contribute to a flourishing life. It emphasizes building resilience and enhancing life satisfaction. For example, positive psychology underlines how practicing gratitude can improve mental health. 10. Biopsychosocial model. This integrative perspective combines biological, psychological, and social factors to understand and treat mental health conditions. It reflects the interconnected nature of human experiences. For example, the biopsychosocial model addresses depression with a combination of medication, therapy, and social support. Modern perspectives in psychology provide diverse frameworks to study and address human behavior. By integrating insights from biology, culture, cognition, and emotions, these perspectives offer a comprehensive understanding of the complexities of the human mind. Whether addressing mental health, education, or personal development, modern psychology continues to evolve, enriching our understanding of ourselves and the world.